Hi guys, welcome to another day in the life of a SparkDriver. You guys, it's 2:45 right now and it's Thursday today. Starting the day late because in the morning I was busy with different things, y'all. So I just received my first order, $18 and 5 mayo, and I'm only shopping for 9 items. So I am on my way at Walmart right now to go shop it. Well, I look ashy. I know I put some moisturizer on my face. I look too ashy, y'all. So let's go. So I know I'm starting late, but let me make at least 100, over 100. Just got another order. I can't talk. I'm happy. $30 and 10 mayo and 3 drop off. And right now it's 3:41 and the pickup time is 3:50. So I hope they are on time. They bring my order on time so I can take it and come back so I can give the 4:30 order, that round robin order. I want to give that one at 4 and then 5. So they better come on time. I'm tracking them. Let's wait, y'all. My second order of the day. I'm done dropping my second drop off. You guys, this order over here, they didn't take a long time to bring for me, to bring it out. I was on a phone, that's why I couldn't record. Like as soon as it hit 50, like on 51, they bring out my order. So let's go on to my last drop off, you guys. And it's cold. So the day that I come to work without no type of hoodie, jacket, now you wanna be cold. Like it's super cold outside, y'all. I am done delivering everything, y'all. I can't believe I'm 20 minutes away from my Walmart. 20 minutes away. Oh Lord. Oh, okay. Let's take this trip back. This is the order that they gave me. $15 going 5 mayo. I'm shopping for 2 people. No. Although I need money that much, that bad, but I'm not gonna take you. I'm not gonna take this order. Shopping for 2 people for $15? No. Let's wait so we can get there and see what we can have. I just received another order, $18, and it's a shopping order. It's going to mayo, but it's a Walmart that is like the other way. I think I have to drive like 14 minutes to get to that Walmart. I am going there. I am going over there right now. So, because I don't want to keep waiting without no order over here. And that Walmart it's the Walmart that I used to work at. So I might be fine. It's only 14-minute drive away. You guys, where I live between 2 Walmarts. So both Walmart I go like I drive 8 minutes from my house. So once I'm already to one Walmart, for me to get to another Walmart, it takes me 14 minutes. So let me drive from that Walmart to go to my house. It's gonna be like 8 minutes. So we're still Gucci, still good. All right. Let's go. You guys, it's getting worse. It's getting cold and cold. Colder and colder. Is that even the word? Colder and colder? Don't mind me, y'all. I don't know what I'm saying. It is 5:16 right now. I just got to the other Walmart. So I'm walking in right now to start my shopping. I need to do this in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So we can do our last order of that day. Okay. I am done here. I didn't find two of her items. And she really needed it. She was like, can you please give this and this? I said, they didn't give me an option to substitute anything. So I can't get it. I am patiently waiting for that last order, you guys. Patiently waiting for that last order. You need to hurry up and come so I can go home because it's getting dark. Dark. It's getting dark. So I need to make the one more order. So let me wait to 6. If I haven't get order to 6, and then I'm going home. Let's wait. Okay. 5:55 right now, and boom, the order just came in. The good order just came in. It's a shopping order, $21, and it's going for miles, and we only shopping 10 items. Yeah, we're only shopping 10 items. So let's go shop this order so we can go home. Shoo, this person is getting 8 of this, y'all. 8 of this. It's heavy. Yeah, it's not a joke. I can't push it. This is the only option. This is the only option to pull, because when I'm trying to push, it's not gonna work. It's super heavy, but this one is not that heavy when you're pulling it. So my next item is here, you guys. It's locked up, so I pressed here for an associate to come to open for me. They be taking forever, but let's see this one, how long it's gonna take her to come. Let me just see. Yo, oh my gosh. My hand is freezing. So cold has officially started. You guys, it's too cold outside. I can't wait to go home and go to my bed. Oh my gosh. It is so cold. So I'm done shopping for the items. Now I'm about to take off. Whew. So let me update you about what happened, or if they came to open or not. They didn't come to open. I waited for like 15 minutes and nobody showed up. I kept pressing, and I had to look for an employee. I didn't see nowhere. So I was like, you know what? This not gonna keep me waiting here. Let me just say it's not here. And that's what I did. And they tried to give me the same thing next to that one in the lock thing again. I said, no, I'm not waiting here. I'm not about to waste all my time waiting for an employee to come open this thing. So I left, y'all. I just said, I don't see it. Shoo. Alright, so let's go deliver this, y'all. And it's going to be our last one. It's super cold. OMG. So it's only 7 minutes to deliver this stuff, y'all. Only 7 minutes. And there are now 6:34. Okay, you guys, they was waiting for me outside, so they helped me unload the items, which is fantastic. So right now, you guys, I am going home. We are done for today. You guys, we made $89 and some change. We did it. We did it, you guys. I did it. Right now it's 6:45, so it's time for me to go home. You guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video. Don't forget to comment down below, share my video. Okay, bye bye guys. I love you. See you tomorrow.